Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be introducing a new website where you can earn up to 430,000 monthly online. This website has just been launched today, and here you can see 9,000 naira. So once you create an account on this website, you're going to be given 9,000 naira as a sign-up bonus immediately, and you can use this 9,000 naira to hire a free advertising machine for 30 days. Now, before I show you guys how to create an account on this site, I would like to say some few things about this site. So FireVIP is the name of the site, and FireVIP is a safe and convenient money making app that helps users earn easily anytime, anywhere, and do tasks with their friends as a team to receive cash rewards. Now, to create an account on this site, you just need to enter your phone number. So make sure you're in Nigeria, because this site is only working in Nigeria. Enter your phone number and then enter your password, your 6-digit password. After entering your 6-digit password, please enter the password again. So you have to enter the password again and then enter this verification code and then click on register now, and an account will be created for you. So guys, I've already created an account. I'll just log into my account and show you guys how to earn on this platform. So guys, as you can see, I have logged into my account, and here you can see congratulations, get 9,000 naira. So all you have to do is to click on receive now. Click on it and then give it some minutes to load. Here you have to rent and activate the ads machine, earning highest up to 876,000 naira monthly. This is amazing, this is huge. So click on go to rent. After clicking on it, click on I agree. So you have to click on agree and tick the advertising machine rental agreement. So click on this, mark it, and then click on rent now. Rent successfully. Activate the advertising machine every day and get the high revenue of the day. And here you can see my estimated total revenue. Click on go to start. As you can see, the ads is now automatically running, so you have to give it some minutes to load. So 10 ads has been viewed and the revenue has arrived, so I have to wait. So let's wait for it to complete. As you can see, it's running, and here you can see congratulations, advertising revenue has arrived your account. Advertising revenue 100 naira, extra revenue 200 NFC. So click on confirm, and here get high revenue. The higher the level of the advertising machine, the higher the income. So click on make money instantly. So here, this is our advertising machine, professional advertising machine. We rent and make money right now. Account balance, you can see 100 naira, cumulative income 100 naira. So as you can see down here, the A level ads machine, you just need to deposit 4,000 naira to rent this machine, and you're going to be earning 200 naira daily, and annually you're going to earn 219,000 naira. And the B level ads machine, you just need to deposit 16,000 naira, and then you're going to be earning 932,000 naira annually. The C level ads machine, you just need to deposit 40,000 naira, and you're going to be earning 2,256 naira daily, and annually you're going to earn 2.4 million naira from this site. So they still have other packages available, other ads machine available. You can choose any of these and invest. Okay, so now I want to show you guys how you can earn free and fast. So to earn free and fast is by inviting your friends. So to invite your friends, you need to click on where you see invite. So here you can see invitation with rewards. Invite friends, receive more earnings. My reward, cumulative income, I have 0, number of friends I have 0. So all you have to do is to click on invite now and then copy your referral links. So once someone joins through your link, you're going to earn 600 naira on this platform. And the best thing about this platform is that when you invite someone and the person invites someone to join, you're still going to benefit from that. That's why they have the first, second, and third level referral option. And here you can see the strategy to make money on the platform: cash bonus, invitation reward, recharge bonus, rewards for topping up for your friends. Now let me show you guys how to top up your account, how to deposit on this platform. Click on mine. So guys, here you will see the option to top up and withdraw. Just click on top up to top up your account. As you can see, there are different options to top up on this platform. They have the online banking, credit card, bank card transfer, So you can choose any of these and then enter the amount you want to top up. So for instance, you want to top up 16,000 naira, you just enter the amount and choose any of these. After choosing it, click on top up and you'll be able to send the amount of money you want to this platform to invest. Now, I prefer using the coin recharging, and the coin recharging you have to use USDT. So here you can see USDT. I click on TRC20 and copy this address. Once you copy this address, you go to your Trust wallet or any wallet you're using. You have to send some amount of coins, and then it will be converted on this site for you. So this is the fastest way to deposit on this site. So I prefer this, but you can use any of it. So now I will show you guys how to withdraw from this site. Let's go back and click here. You can see withdraw, so click on withdraw. As you can see, so you can enter the amount you want to withdraw. So let's take it, let's input 4,000 naira because the minimum is 4,000, and then you have to enter your username and then the withdrawal account. You have to enter the account name. You have to choose the bank. You have to select the bank. You can choose any of this bank if you're using any of these. After choosing the bank, you click on withdraw, and then your money will be sent to your bank directly, guys. So that's how to withdraw from this site. So guys, finally let's move to the last step of the video. So let's go to the home so I can show you guys something. Where you see add machine, click on it. And here you can see my advertising machine revenue. Here you can see cumulative income 100 naira today, advertising revenue 100 naira, and then today extra revenue 200 NFS. Add machine 1. So I'm using the free machine, and as you can see free add machine 300 naira available today, completed. And then get high earnings from ads. So once you earn high on this platform, you need to deposit. So you just need to deposit on this platform to earn high, and then purchase any of those packages, any of those machines, and you can start making money online for free. So guys, use this opportunity to make money. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more legit videos.